Hi, I'm Curtis Bodies and welcome back to my channel. And on this channel we cover a lot of topics with regard to cryptocurrency and Forex. And today's video is gonna basically cover the topic of Bitcoin and basically how to send Bitcoin to any other address you have. For example, if you have one account and you want to send your Bitcoin from one account to another, this is basically what this video will be going about today. So remember, all content on my channel is never financial advice. Always good to do your own research with regards to any topic. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like so this video can get out to more people. So for me personally today, I'm going to send some of my Bitcoin from my Vala account to my offline Ledger account. So the Ledger Nano is basically a offline hardware wallet. So for example, it's not connected to the internet. So all Bitcoin on this hardware wallet is not connected to the internet, so it's harder for hackers to basically hack this device. So with that said, let's get right into today's video. So this video is going to be basically very short. If you don't have a Ledger, basically this video will not apply to you, but it's also good to basically see how the process is being done. So it's always good to take note, as use this video as a source of research for yourself, and also good to see what other people basically do. So if you don't have a Ledger, don't worry about it. You can take tips from this video. And also if you have one, for example, if you have a Luno and a Vala account, it's good to see how you send from one account to another. So with that said, let's get right into this part. So like I said, I'm going to send Bitcoin from my Vala account to my Ledger Nano S. So here we go. So on Vala, you're obviously going to have to go to the account. So this applies to any other cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin, besides Bitcoin, it can be any other thing. So I'll be sending Bitcoin. So I'll go to Bitcoin on my hardware wallet. So you're going to say deposit or withdraw. So if you're sending from another account to this, you're going to obviously say deposit. But if you're sending from this account to another, you're going to obviously say withdraw. So let's go to withdraw. So now we can see this is the amount of Bitcoin on this wallet. This is the address we want to send to. So, and this is basically just your network and the amount of Bitcoin. So for us to obviously we have to get the address from the other Nano. So this is where I'm going to swap onto the Ledger Nano or the other account where I want to get the address. So here we are on the platform known as Ledger Live. So this is where we want to send the Bitcoin to. So we'll just go on to my accounts. So you can see we only have one account on this one. So here you can see now it's going to ask you on top. This is basically, it depends on the platform, the interface might look a little bit different. So for this one, it's also going to be receive, send, sell, buy, and swap. But you obviously want to say receive. So you can see this is there's only one Bitcoin account on this device. So we'll say continue. So now you can see this is the hardware wallet part. So this might not apply to any other account. So this is only to hardware wallets where this step comes into place. So I'm obviously going to plug my hardware wallet into my PC and show you the steps from there. So as you can see on the Ledger Nano S, they want me to plug in my hardware wallet. So as you can see, there's always, once you log into hardware wallet, they want you to enter a PIN. So this PIN basically applies to you. So hackers can't, if they, for example, if they do get your Ledger account, if they do get your Vala account, they're always going to have your Ledger account also. So this is not connected to the internet. So this is where I will put in my PIN. So you can see once that is done, the account will open. So now you're going to say open your Bitcoin wallet on your Ledger Nano account. So they'll ask you, there's a pop-up that say open. So we'll just click that. Open wallet account. So we need both fingers. There we go. So now we can see it's open on the Ledger account. So now you can see there is an address on the side. So that address on screen needs to match with the address on the Ledger. So we can see there's 3P. If we go on, X, we can see XYV. So it's exactly the same on here. So on the Ledger it needs to be the exact same, as just a good practice. So we'll copy this. So now when we're back on our Vala account, we're obviously going to press this account in. We'll just say paste. So you can see there's the exact same address on this side, 3P, so on and so on. Just make sure again on our thing it's exactly the same. On there it's exactly the same. So we'll just click that. And now they're going to ask you how much Bitcoin you want to send. We'll obviously click max because I want to remove all the Bitcoin from this device and put it on my hardware wallet, as I will not be selling it. Just basically just storing or adding on to my position on this. So it's basically a long-term investment. So I'll just click on review withdrawal. So there's once again they're showing the address Bitcoin. This is the most important part because you don't want to send your Bitcoin to the wrong address. So it's 3P. Let's just check again, 3P, BB, so on, and check the last 3 digit NXV. So there's exactly the same. We'll just say confirm withdrawal. So now there's another step of authentication on Valor, so they want the email authentication. So we'll just go there. There we go. So we can see it's this withdrawal. So we'll just say authorize transaction. So there's a lot of steps because you don't want to send your Bitcoin to the wrong address. And there we go. So there's another step, verify authentication on your authentication app. So we'll just do that via phone also. So via phone will basically be the exact same. So you'll see there will always be a 3-digit code, so we'll obviously click that one. This changes every time, so it'll obviously be 109273. So just click confirm. And there we go, it's success. So that's basically the Bitcoin has been successfully transferred from my Valor to my Luno to my Ledger Live account. So if we go back to the Ledger Live, so now that we're back on the Ledger Live, we'll just say confirm, approve, and then address as it's done. So done. So there we go. So the Bitcoin should be arriving in this, depending on how busy the network is. So it should be arriving in about 5 to 10 minutes or so. So that's basically the process of transferring Bitcoin from your Valor account to a hardware wallet. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you learned something new, make sure to subscribe. Even though you don't have a ledger of your own, it's good to have this knowledge. So I'm Curtis Barties. Until next time, peace out.